Academics. Academics play one of the important role in students' career. Let's see how IT department did this time. So let's start with second year. So this year the result was 61.08%, where 19 students got a distinction out of 70, and Rishu Rana topped the semester with 9.36 SGPA, followed by Ashwini Kaujalgikar with 9.32, and then we have Kevin Pare with 9.2 SGPA. Similarly, the third year result was 66.15% with 13 students in distinction, where Purva Dhuri got 8.95 SGPA, followed by Rutuja Deshmukh, and then we have Sampada Dhore with 8.73 SGPA. Now, the last year result is 94.44% with 14 students in distinction, where Shivani Sagre topped with 9.14 SGPA, followed by Chetna Gaude with 9 SGPA, and same with Surbhi Panchal. This batch will be the 10th batch passing out from our college with a degree of Bachelor's in Engineering Information Technology from Savitribai Phule, Pune University. You might be thinking that what's in the score? Intelligence is not judged by the score, but let me tell you, score reflects the amount of hard work done by the students along with the teachers, the second pillar of our institution. Let's get into it.
Hello everyone, I am Supriya Jagtap, pursuing IT engineering from PCET's Nutan Maharashtra Institute of Engineering and Technology, Talegaon. As we know, teachers play a great role in student career. In NMIT, all teaching staff paid a personal attention to each and every student. They are also ready to solve students' doubt at any time. In classroom as well as in practical session, we make use of advanced teaching technologies. Also, in COVID-19 pandemic, our teachers had also taken online lectures, online MCQ tests, and orals also. From second year itself, our teachers started to take sessions on placement and personality development. For internship and best job for a student, our teachers take really great effort on student. They also guide us to give a CoCube test and also attend many workshops. And from as per teachers' instruction, we also completed online courses on NPTEL and Coursera. So I think I am very fortunate that I got NMIT College to explore my skill and talent.
Hello friends, Kshitish Patil here. I am presently studying in second year IT department of PCET's Nutan Maharashtra Institute of Engineering and Technology, as well as I am a TNP volunteer. At the moment of entering second year, the college offers an opportunity to students to work with the placement cell of our college. Till now, I have covered many drives and interest to work in future too. As a volunteer, it's given me immense pleasure to tell you that our last year branch of IT department was proud with 100% placement. In our department, Harshal Pawar got a package of 7.2 lakh per annum in Morgan Stanley. An average package of our department is 4.5 lakh per annum in companies like Capgemini, Accenture, TIA, Persistent, Amazon, IBM, and TCS, and many more. Apart from all these activities which are must for students like group discussion, campus credential, mock interviews are covered with intense attention. It's a very exciting and nice experience to work with TNP and learn how to work with team and a skill of team management, and that's all about what TNP taught me. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.
Hello all, my name is Rishu Rana and I am pursuing BE in Information Technology, and now I am in second year. Many students face difficulties while choosing the best college, so I would like to address some important features of my college. Getting a job nowadays is difficult for the upcoming youngsters, so you should have a good practical knowledge. Our college provides all the necessary skills and knowledge to keep up with the modern technology. As per the industrial needs, our college provides the practical knowledge and also focuses on practical oriented learning. Things which makes IT branch different from computer is IT is about maintaining and improving computer systems, operating networks and databases. Meanwhile, computer science deals with using mathematics in program systems to work it more efficiently. If you are interested in understanding the working of digital world, then IT is for you. As a student, these are the things which play a key role to get a place in today's world. I would highly recommend this institute to anyone who would like to pursue in IT because we are the best. Thank you, stay home, stay safe.
Apart from all these things, as a student of IT department, I would like to tell you that we, the students of IT department, are involved in the cultural activities. One more golden opportunity offered by our college is open mic. A golden opportunity to show the talent of a student, to show what extraordinary skills we possess. Even I got an opportunity to try my voice in front of all my colleagues. That's it. It gives me an immense pleasure to be a part of NMIT and hope you will join the fun. Thank you.